A big welcome to all parents and my little friends. You're back in Dr. Brown Rhino's health garden? Here, Dr. Brown Rhino and my team are always ready to share wonderful, natural health secrets from Vietnam's precious herbal remedies, combined with simple yet effective massage and acupressure techniques. Our goal is for every family to be healthy, happy, and full of energy every single day.
Now, let's get started and practice our health lesson for today together.
Let's get to work. Today, I'm going to share and guide you on how to care for and treat coughs and phlegm for our little loved ones.
Doctor, my baby has a very sore throat and a non-stop cough. He's wheezing and struggling to breathe with so much phlegm in his throat. He keeps coughing and hacking, but it just won't go away.
Good boy, open your mouth wide for me to see. Your throat is all red. There's so much phlegm in there. Have you been eating cold treats or playing in the rain?
See, we told you, but you never listen. You eat cold stuff all day and then play in the rain for hours. No more wonder you're sick now.
Your mom is right, kiddo.
Parents and children, did you know? Our lungs are just like a warm, blooming flower. So when you eat ice or get caught in the rain, a sudden wave of cold air rushes in. It freezes our throats gar. At this point, our lungs produce a sticky fluid to protect themselves. We call that phlegm. Coughing is just the body's way of sweeping things out to help us breathe easier. But when viruses attack, when those ugly virus monsters attack our healthy pink lungs, the lungs must quickly produce thick yellow phlegm to lure them in and take them down. So, let's always keep our lungs warm to keep them healthy and pink. Remember, don't eat too much cold food, don't take ice cold showers, and never stay out in the rain for too long.
That's right, our lungs produce phlegm to protect us. However, when there's too much of it, it can make our babies struggle to breathe and feel very tired. Today, White Rabbit will show you a traditional Vietnamese herbal remedy for coughs and phlegm. It's chives, a wonderful natural antibiotic from Mother Nature. All you need to do is chop the chives, add a bit of rock sugar, and steam it. Then, give the liquid to your baby to drink. This is a magic remedy that will soothe your baby's throat instantly. Also, if your baby is already having diarrhea, giving them chives might make the situation much worse. Chives are high in fiber, making them great for babies with constipation. However, they should not be used for those with a weak digestive system or sensitive gut. For babies who can safely use chives, just give them about 2 to 3 small teaspoons each time. Doing this 2 or 3 times a day is plenty. Here's another natural remedy for coughs and phlegm, and it tastes even better than chives. It's the kumquat.
Steamed kumquat with rock sugar helps clear phlegm and soothes your throat instantly. It's a timeless folk remedy. First, soak the kumquats in salt water. Then rinse them under clean running water, cut each kumquat in half and remove the seeds. Place them in a bowl and add some rock sugar. Steam the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes until the kumquat peels become translucent. Drink the juice while it's still warm, 2 to 3 times a day. About 2 teaspoons each time is perfect. You can add a slice of fresh ginger or some licorice root before steaming. The sweet licorice and fragrant ginger will balance out the slightly bitter taste of the kumquat peel. I want to introduce another familiar herbal vegetable that specializes in treating coughs and phlegm, Mexican mint. The essential oils in Mexican mint help disinfect the respiratory tract. Just chop the herb, add some rock sugar, and steam it just like you would with kumquats. Adults can eat Mexican mint raw to reduce coughing, or crush the leaves to extract the juice for drinking. Mexican mint is the ultimate enemy of coughs, phlegm, and sore throats. To boost the treatment's effectiveness, we will combine it with acupressure. Parents, please save these acupressure points to practice for your children at home.
First is the Danjong point. This acupoint has the power to clear the lungs and boost respiratory flow. Next is the Phytotherapy point. This acupoint directly affects the lungs to help clear out phlegm faster. Stimulating this point acts like an exhaust fan for the lungs, pushing mucus out and clearing the 2 bright spots. They mark the exact location of the Phytotherapy points.
Next is the Chantu point. Its main functions are to clear the lungs, dissolve phlegm, improve airflow, and suppress coughing. By massaging, pressing, or applying acupressure to this point, you can treat asthma, sore throats, hoarseness, shortness of breath, and other respiratory conditions. Another effective point for treating coughs is Yongquan, located right on the sole of the foot. Besides treating coughs, this point also helps cool down the body and reduce internal heat. The results will be even better if you combine acupressure with cajeput essential oil. Parents, please remember these important safety tips. Always wash your hands thoroughly before starting the massage. Apply only gentle pressure. Avoid pressing too hard, as you don't want to hurt your little one. Be especially careful when massaging the Qian 2 point. Use very light and steady movements for this sensei. While applying acupressure, remind your little ones to breathe evenly and relax their bodies. This will help the treatment work much better. If your child feels uncomfortable, stop immediately and consult a doctor. Their comfort is the top priority.
Try some of this steamed kumquat and rock sugar, my dear. It's super yummy. You're such a brave and good boy. It tastes great, doesn't it? Do you feel any better now? Does your throat still feel itchy, or do you still want to cough?
Yay, no more coughing. You look so much happier now, don't you?
When you get home, remember to drink plenty of warm water every day. Stay away from cold drinks and never play in the rain for too long again, okay?
Yes, I promise.
Today, we have explored various powerful herbs and essential acupressure points to treat persistent coughs and thick phlegm. Isn't it wonderful? Taking care of your health naturally isn't hard at all. All these remedies and herbal ingredients are actually familiar vegetables and plants from our everyday lives. If you forget anything or have any questions while practicing at home, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to guide you again. If have any specific health concerns you'd like me to share, don't be shy. Please message me directly. In my next video, I'll be talking about constipation in children. If you found this video helpful and love Dr. Brown Rhino, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button and subscribe right now to join us and never miss out on any valuable health tips.
Goodbye for now, and see you all in the next video.